Hello students, welcome back to my next lecture on basic maths. In our previous lecture, we have started second chapter, that is permutations and combinations. In that we have studied the definitions and some basic concepts, and also we have studied some various types of permutations. So today we shall continue with the same types with examples. So let's get started. So type 4 says when no two of a certain type occur together. Here I repeat, no two of a certain type occur together. So for example, in how many ways can 9 boys and 6 girls be arranged in a row if no two girls are together? Note here that no two girls are together is different from all the girls are not together. All the girls are not together means few girls can be together. Fine. Now solution. If no two girls can be together, we first arrange the boys. This can be done in 9 factorial ways. So since there are 9 boys, so it can be done in 9 factorial ways. First arrange all the boys from boy 1 to till boy 9 in a row wise. Then in the gaps we have to arrange the girls so that no two girls are together. Considering the leftmost and the rightmost positions and the gaps in between the boys. So we have left out with 10 spaces from the left to last right side. So we can arrange the girls in between the two boys. So in 10 places 6 girls can be arranged. Why? Because only 6 girls are there. Therefore it can be arranged in 10 P6 ways. 10 gaps we have from boy 1 to boy 9. So from left to right we have 10 gaps. So total number of ways is 10 now. In that 6 girls have to be arranged. Therefore total ways can be 9 factorial into 10 P6 ways. Next type, formation of numbers with digits, that is digits are not repeated. In that first case we see when there is no restriction. For example, how many different 4-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, no digits being repeated in any number. So solution starts with, here the number of digits given are 7, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. In that choose any 4 and start arranging 4-digit numbers. So the possible outcomes will be, so 4-digit numbers start from the last place, that is unit, 10, 100, 1000. Now here 4-digit numbers we will start from the beginning, that is to all 7 numbers in that. So we can write any one digit among these 7 numbers. So right, the possibility in the 1000 space column will be block. In that block we can write 7. Then the one number we have written already in 7 out of 7 digits. Then one number will become less from the group of 7. So next possibility is 6. So next possibility is 5. Next possibility is 4. Like that, one digit will become less than the previous one. Here no digit being repeated is given in the question, so be careful. The 1000 place can be filled in 7 different ways. For each of these, the 100, 10th units place can be filled in 6, 5, 4 ways respectively. Is written as total ways is equals to 7 into 6 into 5 into 4. Multiply all these 4 numbers, you get 840 numbers. That means out of these 7 digits, we can write 840 4-digit numbers. Understood? Next case, that is numbers divisible by a particular number or even numbers or odd numbers. For example, how many 4-digit even numbers can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, no digits being repeated? Means once if you will take one digit, means leaving that number you have other numbers as an option. Now here they have asked again 4-digit numbers only we have to write, but the condition is it should be even number. Fine. So among the given numbers, the total numbers here given are 6. 1 to 6. 6 different digits we have. In that the total number of even digits are 2, 4, 6. So here students, do remember that whenever the condition is given like even number, odd number or multiple of 5 or ended by 0, so you have to be careful of choosing the unit place. So here it is given that it should be an even number. So among the given all 6 digits, we have 3 digits as an even number. So the possibility of getting even number is the last digit you have to start, that is 3. So among 3, any one we will write, then we will shift towards the next digit, that is tens digits. The choices are 3 and 1000, 100 places is 4. Go on writing 3, 4, 5. If the number is even, it has to end with even number. Hence, unit place has 3 choices and 1000, 100th and 10th places can be filled in 5, 4, 3 ways respectively. First you complete writing 3 at the end. Okay, we will write any one digit among 3. So out of 6 digit, 1 if we will write, the remaining 5 will remain. Start writing 5 in the 1000th block. 5, then 1 less from 5 will be written in 100th place, then in 10th place. Like that way you have to write. Okay, you can remember it by writing, by practicing only, students. Therefore, total 4-digit even numbers is equals to 5 into 4 into 3 into 3, that is nothing but 180. Next case, that is numbers which are greater than or lesser than a certain number. For example, how many 5-digit numbers can be formed with the digits 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, which are? So this is the main question. After this, the sub questions are like this. First one, less than 30,000. Second one, greater than 70,000. C, between 50 and 90,000. And last one, D, greater than 75,000. Now, See the question. What is given? How many digits they have given in the question? 5. In that, we have to write 5 digit numbers only from the 5 different digits. So in that, the first condition is less than 30,000. So less than 30,000 means the number in the first digit will be 2 only. Less than 30,000. It start with not 3. Less than 30,000 means up to 29,000. 29,999 is the last number. Okay. Now see, if the numbers has to be less than 30,000, then 10,000th place can be filled by 2 in one way. The remaining places can be filled in 4, 3, 2 and 1 ways. Hence, total numbers less than 30,000 is, we have to write 1. Why? Because among 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, only 2 is a number. After writing in a 10,000 place, we will get the number less than 30,000. So only one digit we have, that is 2. So the remaining options can be different. That is, in second thousands place, remaining 4 digits we can substitute in place of 1000 place. So 1 less from 4, that is n minus 1 in 100 place. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 1, 1 in unit place respectively. In decreasing order you have to write, but be careful at the first place as well as at the last place. Okay. So here the total numbers less than 30,000 is 1. Just multiply all the blocks, numbers in the blocks, that is 1 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is equals to 24. Means we have 24 total 5 digit numbers which are less than 30,000. Okay students. Next, greater than 70,000. Similarly, how we have done the previous one, same way here. Greater than 70,000 can be filled in 2 ways. More than 70 means it may be the first digits, first 10,000 digits can be filled in 2 different ways, that is 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 are 2 digit numbers. So write down 2 over there, down, into the next number 1000 place is filled in. Among these two, if we write any one number, so remaining digits will be with 4 digits. If we write 7, so remaining 4 digits can be filled in 1000 place. Then 1 less in the next block, that is 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1 only. So multiply all these numbers, you will get the numbers, that is 48, which are greater than 70,000. Hope students you will do C and D. Next case number 4, when one of the given digits is 0. So it is very important as per exam point of view. So in that first example is, how many 4 digit numbers can be formed with the digits 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Digits not repeated. The condition is digits not repeated. In that first question is, how many of them are odd? Second one, how many of them are divisible by 5? So the first solution is, here 0 cannot be put in the 1000 place because then it will become a 3 digit number. Hence, it can be filled in 6 places. That means remaining 6 digits, any one digit we can fill in the thousand place, so that it will form a 4-digit numbers. So 0, see for example I will explain. 0, 1, 2, if you write, it will become 12, not 112. 0 is in 100th place only, but 0 is considered as 0 only. 1 is in tens place, 2 is in unit place. So 0, 1, 2 is nothing but 12. So like that, though we are writing 0, 1, 2 as 3 digits, but we will read it as 12 only. So similarly here in this case, if you write in the beginning only as 0 after some numbers, so next number only we will start reading. Therefore 0 cannot be placed in the thousands place. So we will write in the second place as 100 place, tens place and units place. But if we will start writing 0 only in the beginning, so from next digit onwards, in which place it is, that number we will start reading. Therefore, here the first number is not equals to 0. Then the total number of possibilities, the remaining numbers can be filled in from the beginning, that is 6. So last digits we have, that is an odd number. So how many odd numbers we have here? 1, 3, 5. So 1, 3, 5 can be written in the 3-digit, 4-digit numbers. So in thousands place, if it is not equals to 0, then it can be filled in 6 different ways. Into, then again in the hundreds place, including 0, again 6 can be filled, including 0. Then 1 less from 6 is 5. 1 less from 5 is 4. Fine. In the hundreds place, since 0 can be included, it can be filled in 6 ways. The other 2 places can be filled in 5 and 4. After writing 5, just write the numbers in decreasing order. But make sure that what numbers they have asked and what numbers they have given. So try to understand, even it is odd number, even number, and try to understand the concept. Therefore, total number of ways is equals to 6 into 6 into 5 into 4. That is equals to 720. So let's see about the odd numbers. First question, that is, since there are 3 odd numbers, so in unit place you write down 1, 3, 5, means we have 3 possibilities here in unit place. So 3 factorial, 3 units, in that any one we can write. Either 1, the number which has ended with odd number is by 1 or by 3 or by 5. So any one digit, if it is written also, the remaining numbers has to be increased by 1 in the previous numbers. So after 3, next will be 4, next will be 5. So here, since in 1000 places 0 is excluded, so again same 5 numbers only will repeat. Here we first fill the unit place, then thousands place. So whatever I have explained, the same thing only here written. The unit place can be filled by odd numbers only, that is 1, 3, 5. Hence 3 ways. In thousands place, 0 cannot be placed. Hence we have 5 choices. That is, excluding 0, we have 5 choices. The other 2 places can be filled in 5, because here in 100th place we can put 0. 5 and 1 less from 5 is 4 ways. Therefore, total odd numbers is equals to 5 into 5 into 4 into 3, which is equals to 300. Next one is divisible by 5. Since the restriction on 0 is there for two places, take the two cases separately. First case is the last digit is 5. Here is not equals to 0. Therefore, first number in 1000 place it should not be equals to 0. Therefore, the remaining digits we can write in the first place, that is equals to 5. Then again, including 5, we can write the next, including 0, we can write the remaining 5 digits. Then into 4 in the first tens place. Now multiply all these three numbers, you get 100. Similarly, in case 2, if we consider the last digit is equals to 0, then our first digit will be out of 7 digits we have 6 numbers in 1000 place. So write down 6 in the 1000 place. Then 1 less from 6, that is 5. 1 less from 5, that is 4. In the next two blocks, 1000, 100 and 10th place respectively. Now multiply all these numbers, 6, 5, 4 only, not 0. So you will get it as 120. So one total numbers divisible by 5 are, that is in case 1 last digit ended by 5, and in second case last digit is with 0. Add the two numbers here, you will get 100 plus 120, that is equals to 220. Now next type, formation of numbers with digits. Here digits can be repeated. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed using digits 1, 2, 5, 6, 8? So here students, each place can be filled by any one of the 5 digits, and therefore here they have said that the condition is numbers digits can be repeated. So one number can be written all the 3 times. Two numbers can be repeated all the 3 times. Like that way, the last digit, the same numbers can also be repeated. 868, 565, 225, 118, like that way. Okay, therefore each place can be filled A by B. Any one of 5 digits is equals to, total numbers is equals to 5 cube, that is equals to 125. Next type, that is 7th one, word building. So far till type 6 we discussed about the numbers. Now we see some word alphabets which are not repeated. When there is no restriction, find the number of words that can be formed by using all the letters of the word monkey, MONKEY. Here they have said to find all the letters of the word monkey. The word monkey has 6 letters. So this can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. That is equals to expand 6 factorial, that is 6 into 5 into 4, 3 into 2 into 1. That is nothing but 720. Case 2, when all the words begin or end with particular letters. For example, find the number of words that can be formed by using all the letters of the word rainbow. Rainbow. In that, first one is how many of them begin with R and end with W. Second one, how many of them end with BOW. Third one, how many of them begin with a row. So read the question properly and tell me how many letters are there in the word rainbow. So there are 7 letters. Therefore, total words can be formed from this word is equals to 7 factorial ways. That is nothing but after expansion of 7 factorial, you get 5040. In that, first you start writing the total number of the letters outcomes from the word rainbow. Then start answering the first question. Words beginning with R and ending with W. So read the word rainbow. Here first letter is R and last letter is W. So by question, begin with R and end with W means remaining letters will be how much? That is 5 factorial. So that can be arranged in 5 factorial ways, that is equals to 120. So keep R as it is, W as it is. Remaining 5 letters can be arranged in 5 factorial ways, that is equals to 120 ways. Then second one, how many of them end with W, BOW? So last 3 circled letters keep as it is and remaining 4 letters can be arranged in 4 factorial ways, that is equals to 24. So this can be done in 24 ways. Similarly, third one, words begin with R, O, W. So R, O, W, 3 letters. So remaining 4 letters arrangement can be done in 4 factorial ways, that is equals to 24. Hope now students you are getting the things. Next case, when few letters or vowels or consonants occur together. Example 17. In the same case 3. In how many ways can the letters of the word laughter be arranged so that the vowels are always together? The words laughter has 3 vowels. Count the number of vowels and consonants, students, in this letter word. So consider the 3 vowels as one unit. Whenever together you will get in the question, make sure that you will get unit wise answer. Fine. Therefore, consider the 3 vowels as one unit. Hence, 1 unit plus 5 consonants will be equals to 6 unit. This can be done in 6 factorial ways. For each of the 3 vowels can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. Therefore, total words is equals to 6 factorial into 3 factorial. Here 3 factorial means among the 3 vowels we can arrange all the 3 vowels. Therefore, it will be equals to, after multiplying these two numbers, 6 factorial, that is 720, into 3 factorial, that is equals to 6, will be 4320. Now the next type, last type it is, students. No, sorry, fourth case, after that last type. When vowels or consonants occupy odd or even places. For example, in how many ways can the letter of the word hexagon be arranged to that the vowels are always in even places? So, in this word, how many vowels we have? The word hexagon has 7 letters. In that, 3 are vowels. They are E, A and O. These 3 alphabets are vowels. Since total letters is 7, there are 4 odd places and 3 even places. Yes or no? First one is odd place, second one is even place, third one is odd, fourth one is even, fifth one is odd, sixth one is even, seventh one is odd. Hence we get 4 odd places and 3 even places. The 3 vowels can be arranged in the 3 odd places in 3 factorial ways. For each of these, the consonants can be arranged in 4 odd places in 4 factorial ways. Therefore, the total ways we get is equals to 3 factorial into 4 factorial. That is equals to how much? 3 factorial is equal to 6 into 24. 4 factorial is 24. Multiply them. How much you will get? See, it is not printed in this slide properly. You do it in your favor. Now, problem based on type 3 and type 4 can be given in word problem also. So note here that third and fifth type can be also given in word problems. So do all the cases along with the types properly. Study it again and again. So that is only the main basic things. Next, last type is permutations of like things. Like things means same things. So for example, if in a word, which word should I take? Permission or any other word, if we take, if the same letter is repeated, then we can take it as one unit. So here there is one shortcut for this. Permutation of like things. The number of permutations of n things taken all at a time, where x of the things are like and of one kind, and y other things are like of another kind, and z others are alike and of another kind, and so on, is here. Don't get confused, students. If the same letters in a word, if a is repeated 2-3 times, consider is at x factorial ways. If s is repeated like the word, consider a word permission. Here I is repeated 2 times, s is repeated 2 times, and so on. So in such cases, you just use this hint and find the solution. Total number of ways will be equals to n factorial divided by total number of the letters of the word. You have to write it as n factorial. In that, which are repeated, that you have to write in the denominator. That is x factorial, y factorial, z factorial. Here x, y, z are all unknown numbers. Okay, all 3 different numbers of the different kinds. Okay, you will understand more properly when you will solve the sums. That we are doing in the next class. Along with the exercise with some worked examples, we will meet you in the next class. Thank you, students.